Some truths are too big to understand, too big to believe, or too scary. That's why sometimes they are overlooked. Yet, they are still true. In 2015, the UN world leaders agreed on the 17 main issues the world's citizens and politicians had to tackle by 2030, creating the most important to-do list in history. These were the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Western digital and domestic data streamers wanted to bring these 17 big and urgent truths closer to the people. Because we believe that action is moved by empathy, by feeling. At the 2017 COP23 summit, the United Nations Climate Change Conference, we allowed the people to feel the whirlpools, the concern of the world about these goals. By monitoring the social media mentions to the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, we created a lifeline for each one of them and a vibration that would allow people to feel how alive these goals were, or not. By this, we were able to empower individuals to create action. We brought the truth closer to the truth.